Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing everything. Cartoons, manga, figure drawing, the works. Today I'd like to show you how to draw this sort of chibi-ish, kawaii type cute character. Let's start off with some basic shapes. We're going to make our proportions huge on top. Her head is like this, a big oval. The body is going to be small. Looks like a puppet, really tiny. Give her little tiny shoes. A little dress like that. We'll do it very rough and we'll finish up. But we start off very rough always so that we can try different things, make our mistakes, or not really mistakes, but try different things, and then when we like them, we'll fill it in a minute and have something that we want to keep. Put the arms up here. I'm going to make them, even without hands, just tapering at the ends, with these shoulders coming above what is the head shape. And we'll have the eye line very low, maybe even just a dot for the nose. A big smile, like this. She's going to be very happy. So that smile is going to be somewhat wide, but very deep. That. And big eyes, big button eyes, easy to draw button eyes. Remember, I'm going to darken this in when we're done. We're just going for placement. Place them far apart, not close together. Farther apart they are, the cuter they look. Big eyebrows like this. And let's give her some bangs. Give her a cute sort of kind of bob haircut. Hold on. We'll take that flip out. So here's the part. We'll bring the hair up and down. Bring the hair up and down and in. We'll bring a little bit in front of her like this. That's a cute look. And here is the head shape right here. She is really happy about something. Okay, here we go. Round it off. So now we take out some of the construction lines. And I'm going to fill this thing in. We should have a cute character left. A simple kawaii style character. See how much more bold it becomes now. All that sketching and some erasing and trying this, trying that, it pays off. Because now we can be sure that's what I want to do, and we can go be a little more bold, not as tentative as if we try to do it exactly right from the beginning. So on a smile, the top lip is usually straighter than the bottom lip. Some people try to create a big dip in the upper lip. It's not necessary. Here's the face right here, the outline of the face. I'll put a little crease here and here. Give it a little bigger smile that way. So you don't have to make big touches. Little touches work. So here's the arm. Like I said, it's tapering. How about a little bow coming out from underneath? Make that dress come out for a fan out. Cute little, they're like go-go boots. This is kind of fun. Bring this in here. It overlaps. The hair overlaps. It tapers down this way, like this. A little bit of an angle. You see that? A little bit of an angle. Not straight across. It doesn't flatten out at the bottom. Same thing on this side. A little bit of an angle. So the hair is parted here, and then we give it more mass by going up from the head. More volume to the hair. It's a cute look. And we'll add some bangs, and we'll ruffle them in the middle so it doesn't look hard and like a helmet, as I like to say. You don't want hair as a helmet. And let's see if I can put a, oh yes, forgot. So what happens here? A little bit of a shadow under the dress. Because the sunlight comes down and creates that shadow. All right, I'm going to erase everything, all the other lines. I'll be back in a second with a color version, okay? Don't go anywhere. Okay, here we go. That's the same exact sketch. I tried to clean it up as best as I could. Usually when I clean it up, I make another drawing of it on top of it, cleaner drawing, but we don't have really time for that right now, and there's no need just to demonstrate this. And that little bow here could be fun. A cute little blue outfit. You hear that? That's like a awfully squeaky marker. Shh, marker, you're making too much noise. You're distracting me. Okay, that's good. And last, the hair. Ta-da! There you go. So, that's your character. Cute little kawaii girl. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.